Hey Mandi maniacs, here is the before. These are what we will be working on, these planting pots. So yeah, we need to go to the nursery and get some plants, and then we can, well, first of course clear these out, then go to the nursery, get some plants, and we can get started. Specifically what we are looking for is a thriller, filler, spiller. I'll show you guys what I mean by that in a moment. So we are at the nursery right now, and we're here for the thriller, filler, spiller that we're gonna plant in those buckets I showed you guys, actually. And it's beautiful, a lot of options. As you can see, I found the pepper plants. Sweet found a succulent she wanted. And then I'm thinking that's the right lemongrass, but I'm not sure, for the dogs and cats to enjoy. So now on the hunt for the thriller, filler, spiller. So this is what we ended up with so far. This we're gonna use as our filler. These guys are spillers. And then we just still need to go somewhere to find a thriller, because here they didn't really have a thriller. So we're gonna try to find these ones that look kind of like fireworks. I think these look just gorgeous together. Sweet did a really great job. They look beautiful. So that is the nursery, and yeah. So this is actually what we were hoping for a thriller, was this guy, but they used all of them in their own arrangements. And then we also thought this guy would be kind of neat, but same situation. So I'm not sure why they did that, but maybe another nursery will have this guy or this one, not in arrangements. We'll just have to find out. Alright, you guys, so this is kind of the before. I'll give you guys a backed up view of the before. And what we're going to be planting is these guys. So, well, first obviously weed these guys out for sure. And, you know, yeah. So when you plant a garden basket, kind of the rule of thumb, they say, is you want a thriller, filler, spiller. So this guy right here would be, this was last year's thriller. So that's the location we're going to put it when we plant for this year. So your thriller is going to go here, and then your filler is going to kind of go around, and then your spiller is going to run the outer edge. So I'm thinking something like this. Thriller, and then it'll be like probably, you know, filler, and then probably like spiller. Kind of stagger them and let them kind of grow together, and they will look beautiful. So that is the plan, and I will show you guys as we go. You'll get, if you're confused, you'll get a better idea of it. But when you go to your nursery or garden store, yeah, what you want is you want a thriller, which a thriller is going to be a bit obvious. He's going to be a taller plant. Like, these are king tuts, and I think they're really neat. You know, you want something that's going to stand up in here and not tip or spread on you. And then you'll want, for like a filler, you'll want something that kind of will take up space, but it's not going to trail or stand up too high. And then for your spiller, you'll want something that does trail, so it can kind of come over the side and look really elegant, really beautiful. There's no rules, kind of whatever you like, whatever looks good to you together. But so you kind of know how they're gonna grow and look together, you're gonna want to go with those three kind of, so they have a nice blend, so they kind of fill in and don't clash with each other, if you know what I mean. So this is the before. So Sweet did a great job and got these all weeded out for us. So now we are ready to plant. So of course you'll want to work from inside outside. So you'll want to start with placing your thriller. We use King Tut right in the dead center. So, and then you can work your way out from there. Another thing you could do is so go ahead, place your thriller, and then you'll want to kind of place your plants. I'll show you what I mean in a second. So you can get an idea of where you want them to go maybe before you begin putting them in. So here's how the first one turned out. So again, there's your thriller right inside, and then your fillers more towards the inside, and then on your outside are your spillers. And you'll see how they kind of all, as they grow to kind of grow up, grow together, they're kind of going to grow into each other, and it's just going to look really perfect. So there you have it. So here is the finished product with both of the planters. And of course, where you see dirt, that will fill in because they grow together and kind of create an arrangement. And you wouldn't want to do any more because then obviously they'd probably choke each other out. We were debating on putting a few more in, but we thought, well, they are going to grow together, so. And then here is this one. So yeah, that is how they turned out. I'm really excited to see how they grow up. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe.